Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about transitive and intransitive verb. Verb. Verb is the most significant part of a sentence. Without it, the sentence seems to be incomplete. Verb is an action word that indicates action and position of the subject. Verbs can be doing verbs, being verbs, and having verbs. Doing verbs indicates the action or work done by the subject. Being verb indicates the being or existence of the subject. And the having verb indicates the belonging or position of the subject. Mainly, verb is divided into two parts: main verb and auxiliary verbs. Some verbs make the sentences complete and meaningful, and some other verbs help these verbs make complete and meaningful sentence. The verb that make the sentences complete and meaningful is called main verb. For example, they went to school, they take tea. It is the main verb to which we add an ending or which we change to that other forms. Auxiliary verb. The verb that helps the principal or main verb to complete the meaning of a sentence is called the auxiliary verb or helping verb. Total number of auxiliary verb in grammar is 24. For example, she had left. He was making a new experiment. I am playing with cards. Here has, was, and am are auxiliary verbs. Some verbs in sentences require object and some other do not require object to complete the sense of sentence. On this basis, finite verbs are of two kinds: transitive and intransitive. Transitive verbs. Transitive verbs are those words which pass over or transmit their meaning to the words that follow, known as object. In short, a verb which takes an object is a transitive verb. It requires an object to complete its meaning. Example: my sister gifted me a watch. Here gifted is transitive verb. Intransitive verb. The verb that does not pass over or transmit or transfer the meaning to the object of the sentence or the words that follow the verb is called an intransitive verb. Example: the child laughed. Here the verbs laugh and trims do not pass over their meaning. They do not require an object to complete their meaning. Thus, the verbs laugh and trims are used transitively. Some verbs normally used as transitive verb: achieve, address, admire, avoid, behave, blame, build, buy, create, cut, damage, demand, describe, desire, destroy, etc. are the verbs normally used as transitive. Some verbs used as intransitive, like depart, fall, sleep, swim, die, disappear, happen, shine, speak, string, shiver, etc. Ditransitive verb. Transitive verbs made to take two objects: direct object and indirect object. The direct object is usually a non-living thing and the indirect object is usually a person, animal, or a living thing. The Answer to the question verb plus what is the direct object, and the answer to the question verb to whom is the indirect object. Example: Father gave a pen to me. What is given? Pen. Pen is direct object. To whom? Me. Me is indirect object. Verbs that take two objects are also called ditransitive verbs. She gave bangles to me. Verbs like allow, deny, give, lend, save, tell, advance, feed, hand, loan, show, write are examples of ditransitive verb. Here home assignment is given. So that's all for today. In our next video we will discuss about our next topic. Thank you.